Willie says hello here on a wet Sunday afternoon. We're in Russell Drive, in the heart of the ward of North Ayr, where the by-election's been held. And you'll see round about here all the rubbish lying about. Just waving at the police there, by the way, they're by doing a patrol. It's good to see they're patrolling. See, and this is all about, it's just to give you an update and clarify some questions been asked about me, right? Make Willie Hogg your #1 vote. You'll see the ballot box here, right? So, the clarity, people are asking questions, where do I stand, what political alliances I have. I'm going to clarify right now to you, I'm an independent candidate. Independent. I have no connection with any political party whatsoever. And previously, before the general election, 6 months I left the Labour Party, right? I left the Labour Party because I was disillusioned with the Labour Party, and I've been never so glad that I did leave them after what the Labour Party did to the people. Now, for example, in this ward in North Ayr, the most deprived ward in South Ayrshire, and remember what I'm saying, the most deprived, the winter fuel payment cut with the Labour government affected people in this ward more than anywhere else in South Ayrshire. And unfortunately, the two MPs for the North Ayr ward, Alan Gemmell MP, Elaine Stewart MP, voted to cut the winter fuel payment on the pensioners in this ward and take money out of their pockets. Let it be known. And they're presenting around the doors, knocking doors in this ward, asking people to support and trust them. How can you trust these people? I would call them treacherous traitors, and they're strong words, but they're factual statements. They have took money out of the pocket of pensioners in South Ayrshire. No ifs, no buts. That is not fiction. That is a factual statement. And if the audacity to come and chat people's doors in this ward to campaign for the candidate who doesn't even stay in the ward, the way it's looking now, I will be the only candidate, local resident, local candidate, local issues. I've got to move after local issues because these national politicians are kind of codology and champing the doors and trying to undermine you, the people of North Ayr. Do not let them undermine you or lie to you, because that's what they're doing. These are the same people who sat in Parliament and voted the winter fuel payment on the pensioners of North Ayr and throughout Britain. So I say to you here today, do not listen to them. Turn your back on them. Vote for anybody else. Don't even vote me, but do not vote and put your trust in them. They are not to be trusted. As anything to do with the Labour Party, they have betrayed the people of South Ayrshire. They have betrayed the people continuously. And in this ward here, I remember in 2012, I stood down there with a Labour Party candidate, and I'll explain in later videos about Rita's broom. It's quite farcical. And they were going on about the state of this place and how deprived this place was in here. Oh, that was in 2012. I'm back here and it's 2024 and it has not changed one bit. It has not changed one bit. So I repeat to you, and stop taking the time of words to say, and I'll say them and they'll be heard. That has not changed one bit. So I'm saying to you, I will not promise you everything in this by-election if I win, if I am lucky enough to win and fortunate enough to win. But what I will do, I will not lie to you and I will not disrespect you, as has been done with the Labour Party in this ward and throughout. So what I'm saying to you, on October the 16th, vote Willie Hogg, your #1 candidate, in the box, and I will represent you to the best of my ability. And I'll not say see you all later, folks, because this is a serious issue. And what I'm saying to you is this: vote me on the 16th of October and you will get an honest candidate who will respect you and not disrespect you, which has been happening previously. Okay? And I'll see you all later, folks.